If you want to add an event to calendar on OPPO Reno 15, first of all we can go to the app drawer and then you just have to find the calendar app. Now once you open it, you can find the plus button here in the bottom right corner, and then you can choose to add an event. You can set up the title for the event. You can also customize all the necessary details, like for example the date and the time when the event starts and ends. You can also set the event to last a whole day, and you can also choose whether the event should repeat or not, whether it should be repeatable. You can also adjust the time zone as well. You can include people and add them into the event. We can add video conferencing, we can add location information, we can manage notifications quite easily, and you can actually add multiple notifications so you can be notified multiple times before the event starts. We can also add the description and so on and so forth. And once you're ready, just use the save button here in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.